Adjust na guys, circuit bulak line 2. Pag mauna yan guys, mag-ilaw na. Yan siya guys, oh. Yan, nagputok yung line 2. Nalagay na yung cutout fuse. Energize natin guys. Energize na natin. Nag-ilaw na yung water filling dyan guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, pag mauna yung cutout fuse, yun, nagkailaw na. Thank you for watching. Yan, nauna yung cutout. Oh, may ilaw na sila.